So relaxing.
McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's.
Yeah, I really want some McDonald's too.
I just want food.
What the hell? Where did you come from?
The zoo, remember?
I already know that you come from the zoo. Why do you guys want McDonald's?
It tastes good.
What? Why are you holding a balloon?
I like balloons. I'm going to drink the helium.
No, don't go drink the helium.
So this is our swimming. Gonna get some helium. Hey, this is me now.
I want to try.
Okay. That tastes good. What do you think, Plata? Yeah, I don't think. I puff it out. Okay, now I talk normal.
Me too. That was kind of good.
No, you still have.
That tastes good.
Yeah, it did.
What about you guys? Did you guys?
Now we hate helium. Yeah, we hate it.
Like, come on, let's go back to Uncle Fred from McDonald's. Did you guys actually drink helium?
Yeah, it tasted good.
Yeah, it made my voice sound weird.
It was only platypus. It was only platypus and Little Red.
I'm kind of disappointed in you. I know. I'm sorry. Well,
Yeah.
I was thinking about it.
Are
Maybe
you
we
disappointed in me?
I mean, you're not really my kid. I don't care. I just think you're a bad
You're
influence
not
on
his
them.
kid. You're not his kid.
I just think you're a disappointment. I think you're just a bad influence on my nephews.
I'm not. Yeah, he's not.
He is. He made you guys drink helium. And you guys know that's like poisonous gas, right?
It's not poisonous.
Whatever. Do you guys want
There's
to?
more up there.
Do you guys want to go get
Yeah.
McDonald's or not?
Yeah. I'm gonna drink some white candy cane.
Come on, just get to the car already.
Okay, come on.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, you guys are all here. Uncle Fred. Yeah. Where's Plata? Come here. All right, guys. I'll open the car for us.
Okay.
All right, Baby Red, you go in first.
Yeah.
Whee!
I hate oranges.
Yeah.
Wee! Yeah, ow! Better look than
Put them on. All right, guys. So we're going to McDonald's. Is that cranking on the floor?
Who's quaking? Oh, yeah.
Baby Red. Pick them up. Thanks. Why is Crankin sleeping on the floor? Should we wake him up?
Probably.
All right. I'm gonna get him. What? Oh, Jesus! What's going on, guys? Wait, why are we driving?
We're going woody.
Wait, why are we taking a nap in the car? Oh, because you guys are so loud, especially this platypus.
Yeah!
Oh, I don't like him. Stop. Well, I'm gonna go back to taking my nap. So, all right, that's cool. What are you doing?
Go outside and shoot.
I'm gonna go outside the window. Well, it's cool out here.
Yeah,
All right, well, are you guys ready to get some McDonald's?
yeah.
Yeah.
When we gonna see our dad? Yeah.
I don't know.
And when's all going to see our mom? Yeah, what's your mom?
I don't know, but whoa, that's kind of cool. I don't know Crankin's
He
many.
kind of looks like you,
Yeah, I can kind of see the resemblance.
but he's from your brother.
Yeah, it's true. Uncle Fred.
I'm the family
Yeah.
pet. Yeah, you are.
Where's
You're
where's-
hey, Plata. You're the family pet. Oh, I kind of am.
Yeah, you kind of are, even though we never wanted you. You just came up to us randomly. Stop eating me. Uncle Fred, when are we gonna reach the McDonald's?
I like windows.
Try not to get us like pulled over.
Okay.
Oh, there's so much noise in here. I'm gonna stand up here.
I can fly. Yeah, we can both fly. Fly with our little wings.
I can't
Our
fly.
little wings.
What are you doing?
Putting you inside of our hood.
Oh yeah, you're connecting us to each other. Yeah, now I can finally fly. Oh.
Maybe we can
Oh.
fly you up, but
Yeah, you can finally experience what it's like to fly.
we could all fly though.
Yeah, I know. Such a nice view. Look at dog.
Dogs.
You eat dogs?
I eat dogs.
Hey, look, it's a bus.
But
Well, look at that movie. Guys. Guys, look at that movie.
now we're gonna eat you. We're gonna watch our January show too. You're gonna be here too. No,
Oh.
Sizzler.
Sizzlers. What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
Do you like food?
Yeah.
So do I.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go back sitting down here now.
Wait, here's the thing. I'm up glass. What can pushes can. Hi.
Oh, hi.
You can climb up glass.
No. Oh, yeah, I can climb over glass. What are you doing? And I'm stuck on the window. Don't do it. Ah!
Whoa.
Roar.
Whoa.
Roar. Ow!
Yep.
Hey, look at that. It was a 7-Eleven. Oh, I'm on the floor. Let me get back up. What are you doing? Stop doing that to him. No. What are you doing? I like it out here. Hello, out there. This isn't safe. Oh! Okay, put him back in here. What are you doing? Okay.
Oh, now.
I'm gonna roll you up. 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 Finally, some peace and quiet. I like this. Guys. Well, while you guys are pulling him, he's gonna probably be. He's probably excited for this. We made it to the McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's. Oh my.
What are you gonna order off the menu?
What
are you gonna order off the menu?
Everything. Hey,
Everything?
who's the guy that closed me up in the window?
It was me. No. What are you doing? No. Like, what the? Ah! Okay. Ah! Help, everyone! Somebody help! Oh. Oh, please don't run me over.
Okay.
I didn't like that. All the cars were just going by and then I was just standing there like, please don't run me over. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Plata, you will never touch him again.
But I was just trying to get him in the window.
What is wrong with you?
Just was trying that.
Oh my god, this is why, see Red, this is why I babysit them. Yeah, I can see that. You know what? From now on, you're not babysitting them. It's
Yes,
cranking
I am.
again. It's cranking again.
No.
I'm scared of you now.
This guy was trying to put us as a slave, remember?
Oh yeah. Then never mind. I guess I'll just have to find you guys a new babysitter.
Platypus.
I'm not trusting you.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Twist him.
There you go. You're much safer over there, not near that crazy platypus.
I'm gonna eat him.
You need to chill. Ah.
Ow. Jesus. Put you out the window too.
No.
Just kidding. I don't want to throw you out. You go inside the socks, brother.
Ow. Oh, it smells disgusting.
We're little buddies. But we gotta do one thing. Hey, Quaken.
Yeah.
Shake a butt, shake a little butt, shake a butt. Ow.
Yeah.
Uncle Fred, Quaken hit us.
I can't. Oh, okay. I'm out.
Quaken hit us.
Why did she do that? Oh, because I was shaking her butts.
Shake a butt, shake a butt, shake a
No, I'm not gonna. Alright, let's just don't hit them, alright?
Suddenly, we went from not ever being looked at for 6 months to actually being used.
You know, my head still hurts. Some of the cars accidentally almost hit
You
me.
have tire marks.
I know I do, and then this is your fault.
Sorry.
I don't forgive
But
you.
you shouldn't have got my beak outside.
Well, I don't forgive
I'm
you.
gonna eat you.
No, stop.
I'm gonna eat you.
What did you guys even order anyways?
I'm gonna go eat you.
One moment you're sleeping on the floor, next moment you're stuck with the platypus in a car with a bunch of birds.
I'm eating you. I'm gonna poop you out now. Yeah, I made it.
Oh.
As a sorry for knocking.
Okay, well I forgive you now.
Yeah, we like our house.
I guess we'll keep you guys in there.
Yeah, so they don't get all the sun. It's really sunny in now here.
I can tell. Crankin, you need help out there?
Um,
Yeah, can you guys get me up?
okay.
Oh, thanks.
Back in the sock powder.
I actually kind of like it in here.
You could go to
Yeah, you're gonna get used to it eventually. I wonder when the food's coming out.
food. We're gonna pass you guys fun fries. Do the
Yay.
little opening. Yeah.
It's like a little event for them.
Yeah. Wee. Can I go inside?
No, I don't
My
think you can
butt
say it.
inside.
No, don't do it. No, I don't want to see your butt. Hey, look, it's the food. Hi. Alright, guys, so the food's here.
Food!
Get your... Ooh, it's some fries. Let's
Fries.
pass them one. Oh. Oh, can I have some food? Get him out, get him out. He's gonna eat with us.
I like fries.
Okay. There you go. Let me give him some. Here you go, guys. You guys can have some fries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, French fries. Don't mind if I take one. Mm-hmm. Plata,
What?
look at nuggets.
Nuggets.
I'll get us the sauce. Whatever that sauce is. Yeah. No nugget. Nuggets. Kiwi. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Ooh, chicken nuggets. This is better than the eggs. Here, Fred. Here's some. Oh, thanks. What?
Your ancestors tried to eat the eggs we were in. Yeah.
Oh.
The angry person out of that. But look, you're not an egg one.
Yeah. Nom 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 nom. This is good food. So, do you guys like your food?
Yeah.
What about you, Plata?
Yeah, more than a whole nother box.
Oh, nuggets? Wow.
I had to pay for this, you know.
Well, that's cool.
But I'm kind of wet since I got all those tips from the zoo. Since I'm in the water, they think it's a wishing well and throw coins in there. It's like it's free.
That's a really lucky life. Nom 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 nom.
Except when you get hit with a coin on the head when you're trying to swim.
That's good food. Plata, do you like it in there?
Yeah. And more.
Ooh, another box of nuggets. Oh, you guys. Here, Crankin.
Okay.
I'm surprised we're still not out of fries. I'm so glad I slept in the car.
That's why they hate each other.
It's the last nugget. Mine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's time to get back in our box.
Okay.
Time for me to get back to my nap.
Time for me to get back to throwing guys out the window.
Ah! And time for me to go sleep.
To get eaten.
No. Ah!
Time for me to fight with Quaken.
No, please. Ow.